Hello class. Today we're going to solve some equations that have brackets. Some of you find this difficult, so we'll see if this will help you with your homework. Page 107, number 8. Let's take a look at the fraction outside of the brackets. 1/3 times everything inside the brackets. 1/3 times 5x would be 5x over 3. 1/3 times a -1 would be -1 over 3. The same way, 3 over 2 times everything inside the brackets. Positive 3 over 2 times x would be 3x over 2. 3 over 2 times 7 would be plus 21 over 2 equals 20. Now, we can only solve this once we find a common denominator. So on this side we could take a look and see that common denominator would be 6. So we can multiply everything in here by 6. If we do it there, we also have to do it over here. Okay, let's solve. If we multiply a 5x over 3 by 6, we have 30x over 3. Follow the pattern. Be minus 6 over 3 plus 18x over 2 plus 126 over 2 equals 120. Now we can simplify. 30x over 3 would be the same as 10x. 6 over 3 is the same as 2. 9x and 63 equals 120. Now let's combine the like terms. So we have like terms of here and here. So that would be 19 x's on this side. And we have a minus 2 and a positive 63. So that's 61 that we're trying to send to the other side. So 120 minus 61. 19x equals 59. Let's get rid of the coefficient. X equals 59 over 19. And we could simplify that a little bit by saying it is 3 and 2 over 19. Here's one more question for us to try. In this case, we see 3/4 plus 2x equals 3 over 5. The denominators are 4 and 5, and certainly a common denominator there would be 20. So if we decided to multiply each side, let's do that, by 20, we could solve 60 over 4 plus 40x equals 60 over 5. Now we can do some simplifying here. 15 plus 40 equals 12. Okay, so let's isolate our terms. On one side we want our variable. On the other side we want our numbers. So a positive x when it comes across becomes a negative. Right, 40x equals minus 3. We want x by itself. So the opposite of multiplying by 40 would be dividing by 40. If we do it on one side, we have to do it on the other side. So our answer is x equals minus 3 over 40. That sounds like sort of an odd answer, going to make me wonder if I was correct. So I think we should prove this to ourselves, prove that we're right by verifying our answer. 3/4 plus 2. Let's fill in the minus 3 over 40, where the x was before, equals 3/5. So that's just our original equation, but instead we have substituted in this number in place of the x. Okay, if we do our brackets first, it's going to be 2 times a negative 3, which is a negative 6, over 40. Let's fill in all the other things that we already have. Okay, we have a little bit of simplifying to do and getting some common denominators. So the common denominator here would be 40. So if we wanted to do that, it would be 30 plus minus 6 equals 24. Okay. 30 plus or minus 6 is 24, equals 24. We know that our answer verifies and that we're correct.